Hey everyone, Daniel Betancourt here with RE/MAX Town Center, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about interest rates. What's going on with interest rates right now? So obviously we all are aware that the coronavirus is affecting everyone's lives. It's also affecting the real estate market. It's affecting jobs. It's affecting the economy. It's affecting how people get along with each other. And it's also an election year, so there's all kinds of turbulence out there, and controversy and conspiracy theories and everything. So the benefit of all that right now is that interest rates are super low. Whenever there's a lot of kind of turmoil, pandemics, epidemics, anything like that, the government will often artificially lower the interest rates to help stimulate the economy, to help keep things moving. And so right now, you can take advantage of the super low mortgage interest rates. I'm doing it. I'm in the process of refinancing my home, and I was able to get a 2.875% interest rate on a 20-year mortgage, but you can get that on a 30-year mortgage right now. If you have great credit and you can prove your income and your assets, 2.875% interest rate is available out there. I've even heard some stories from people who are getting lower interest rates than that. For a home buyer, what that means is you can afford more home. You can afford a nicer home for the same payment that you would have, had you purchased a home at a 3.875% interest rate a year ago. For the same payment, you can afford a more expensive, nicer home. Also, the Orlando Regional Realtor Association came out with new numbers today on the market. So the average home sale price is up 6%, which is incredible. 6%. A standard market is 2 to 3% appreciation. The average home price went up 6% from a year ago, June 2019. It's crazy. We're in a pandemic right now and home prices are going up. The inventory is low. This is creating a lot of demand. Whenever you have low interest rate, there's higher demand from buyers out there. So buyers are willing to pay a little more. Some buyers are paying over appraisal right now. So it's a seller's market. If anyone out there is considering selling, it's a great time to sell because interest rates are low, buyers are still out, buyers are making great offers. On the flip side, some of the negatives, the unemployment numbers are higher than usual right now, but it hasn't really had an effect yet on our real estate market. I don't know what December, January has in store for us. Some people are predicting that the unemployment will begin to show its effects on the real estate market in January potentially, because people may not be making their mortgage payments right now. And so the lenders may start sending out foreclosure notices later in the year. All of that is on pause at the moment because of the coronavirus, but it might have an effect later on in the year. I have no idea. I think a lot of us are surprised that the market's doing what it's doing right now, despite the coronavirus. We're also in the summer. So summer, on an annual basis, the summer is the peak season to sell. This is when people are normally switching school zones and things like that, moving from one place to another. There are people right now moving from up north to Florida. They're saying, if I'm gonna be stuck at home in a stay-at-home order, I'd rather live in a place where there's nice weather and I can be outside enjoying recreation. So there are northerners who are moving down. This coronavirus was kind of the straw that broke the camel's back. But I just want to update everyone out there, just let everyone know that the market is still moving along. As realtors, the professional ones of us are taking every precaution possible when we're out showing homes. Rubber gloves, hand sanitizer, face mask. We're being ultra safe, and we're taking it seriously. No one wants to bring a virus home to their family. So if you're considering buying, we'll make it as safe as possible. You're getting a great interest rate in this market. If you're considering selling, prices are up 6% over last year, and last year prices were up over the previous year. So if you're considering buying, it's a great time to buy. It's a bit competitive right now, but you just stick in there. I got a home under contract today after making 3 or 4 offers for them. So if you're interested, it's a great time to buy. If you're selling, it's also a great time to buy. So if there's anything that I can help you with, if you'd like more information about anything that I'm speaking about in this video, just reply. If you're getting this in a message, reply to the message. You can comment on my YouTube channel. teambetancourt.com is my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to stay up to date with what's going on in the market and get weekly updates, you can subscribe to the channel and get notifications of those. So I just wanted to drop in, tell you about the super low interest rates. 2.875 is incredible. That's the lowest that I've seen since I've been selling real estate for 16 years. And so you might want to take advantage of that while it's available. If you've purchased a home in the last year, 2 years, 3 years, your interest rate is higher. I would speak to your lender. Maybe you can cut down your mortgage term like I'm doing. I'm going from a 30-year mortgage. I just bought my house a year and a half ago. I'm going from a 30-year mortgage to a 20-year mortgage, taking 10 years, really 8.5 years off of the term of my mortgage for the same payment. So that, to me, it's a no-brainer. So if you'd like information about that, just give me a shout. I'm happy to share and chat with you. No pressure, just, I'm happy to answer your questions and help you accomplish your real estate goals. So until next time, I hope you have an amazing day, and thanks for watching.